Hello, and welcome to today's hot insights about pigeons. Pigeons are often overlooked, but these birds have some seriously cool abilities. From their impressive navigation skills to their surprising intelligence, there's a lot more to them than meets the eye. Check out these fascinating facts about pigeons that you might not know. Firstly, pigeons can navigate over long distances and find their way home, even from hundreds of miles away, using the Earth's magnetic field and visual landmarks. Since ancient civilizations, pigeons have been used as messenger birds and in military operations to carry messages. Their homing instinct is so strong that they can fly back to their lofts from locations they've never been to before. 2. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, learn complex patterns, and even distinguish between different human faces. 3. They have unique feet with 3 forward-facing toes and 1 backward-facing toe, giving them excellent grip and allowing them to perch easily on ledges. 4. Pigeons communicate through coos and various calls. Each sound has a different meaning, such as signaling danger, attracting a mate, or calling for food. 5. They have fantastic vision. They can see in full color and even ultraviolet light, which humans cannot see. 6. Pigeons belong to the Columbidae family, which includes over 300 species. They're found all over the world, except in extreme environments like Antarctica. 7. Parent pigeons produce a unique secretion known as pigeon milk. It's not actually milk, but it looks similar. Both male and female pigeons produce it to feed their chicks, making it one of the few bird species to do so. 8. Pigeons have a long lifespan in captivity and can live up to 15 years or more with proper care. In the wild, they typically live about 3 to 5 years. 9. Pigeons are monogamous and tend to mate for life, sticking with the same partner for years. Both parents share the responsibility of caring for their eggs and chicks. 10. All modern pigeons are descended from a single species, the rock pigeon. These pigeons were originally found in Europe, North Africa, and South Asia. They've been domesticated and bred into many different varieties worldwide. 11. Pigeons are fast flyers and can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. That's pretty impressive for a bird. 12. Ancient times show pigeons have been part of human history for thousands of years. Archaeologists have found evidence of pigeon domestication dating back over 5,000 years in ancient Mesopotamia. 13. Pigeons have strong memories and can remember specific people and places. In fact, some studies show that pigeons can remember up to 1,000 different images and recognize individual human faces. 14. In ancient Rome, pigeons were used to carry messages. They were considered so important that soldiers were tasked with guarding them to ensure they wouldn't get lost or eaten by predators. 15. Researchers have trained pigeons to identify different letters of the alphabet and even categorize them. 16. Pigeons can detect earthquakes, along with other animals. They can sense changes in the Earth's magnetic field and can sometimes detect impending earthquakes before humans are aware of them. 17. Some pigeons have been trained to create art. A few artists have even worked with pigeons, allowing them to make abstract paintings by pecking at colored surfaces. It's like endless variations. 18. There are many unique varieties of pigeons. Some have funky feather patterns, bright colors, or even odd-shaped beaks, like the Victoria crowned pigeon, which has a striking blue crown of feathers on its head. Lastly, an amazing fact that pigeons played an important role in World War II. They were trained to carry messages in small capsules attached to their legs, often saving lives in critical situations. One famous pigeon, G.I. Joe, saved the lives of nearly 1,000 soldiers by delivering an important message during a bombing raid. This concludes our list of facts that clearly demonstrate pigeons are often underestimated, but they're actually really incredible animals.
Stay connected and get your daily hot insights. See ya!